Right. So, welcome to this special episode of interaction with our seven students who have come in the merit of OTA, and it's a very proud moment for any institute. Why I should say only AMAS. If there was any other institute in place of AMAS, they also would have felt very proud to see their students excel. Because whenever we teach our students, we teach them to excel in their exams, or here in this case in their SSB. So here we are with the merit list of CDS2 2020 having declared 2 days back, and seven of our students, in fact all seven, having cleared their medical and have come in the merit list. So the names are merit position 1. There are almost about 150 students who have come in the merit. The positions are Tejaswini, merit number 1, Mansi Malik, merit number 9 in the girls' merit, which had 50 girls who had qualified SSB. In the boys' merit, we had Raj Srivastava at 32, Saksham at 72, Arun at 92, Mohit at 112, Ayush at 129. All merit in, all are going to join. And today, a special occasion, I've invited all of them together, and we are going to listen to all of them. A short, crisp tips from the successful candidates, because successful candidates are a lot, but now once you come in the merit, now you are joining candidates, right? So you are about to be GCLCs, so there's no this thing between now and joining the OTA. It is only a matter of time. So we are going to listen to each one of you, and I'll give 4 to 5 minutes to each one of you, and would just like to know, because the audience would like to know, what was your modus operandi of your preparation? What was the method you adopted to prepare? And what was your highlights of your experience in SSB? So let's start with Tejaswini Kajuria, who has come first in the order of merit. So for those of you who do not know how the order of merit is calculated, for OTA CDS, it has got two tiers of selection. One is the written exam followed by SSB. Now in the written is 900 marks, SSB is 900 marks. So both of them together dictate the merit position of a candidate. That means having come in the merit in the first position, I'm sure she has done well in both the exams, that is written as well as SSB. So over to you, Tejaswini, to hear about your preparation. I'm sure you anyway must have been flooded with telephone calls from friends, relatives, and all those kind of people. But now share what was your mode of preparation. My audience, AMR students as well as Insta and all, they are very keen to know what has been your method of preparation, and then do share some experiences, some unique experiences from your SSB.
Good afternoon, and Jayan sir, thank you so much for having us. And congratulations to AMAS also, sir, for producing so many wonderful future officers. And to begin with, sir, I believe since I come from a defense background, I was always very keen and very enthusiastic to join the forces. So my preparation, my upbringing has been such that I was always very motivated to join the forces. So my selection of my subjects, and since back then we could only till very recently, until NDA was opened up for girls also, we would it was possible for girls to join army only after graduating. So I was careful with what subjects I had chosen in school, and following that I chose to go for BDS, that's a dentistry, so that I could open up more avenues to join forces even through dental. And suppose that in my final year, I wrote my serious exam. And as far as the written part goes, so I did not take any coaching. I used to refer to the class 10th and class 12th NCRTs. And I come from an ICSE background as well. So I used to use my history and civics books from class 10th that were from the ICSE board. And in addition, sir, I was very regular with newspapers. And then I was guided by my father that I should also refer to Pratyogita Darpan and Manorama yearbook. for my general knowledge and my current affairs. So side by side, I was preparing for my final year dental exams as well. So in fact, I'll tell you, so I did not even come back and check my marks for the serious written.
Why?
So I was very satisfied with I was satisfied with my performance.
Okay.
And so in fact, in between breaks after the English paper, sir, everybody was studying and studying. And I was like, I have studied, I had some confidence in myself, in my efforts. And me and my father, sir, we had gone to have pizza in the break. So after having pizza, I came back for my GS paper, sir.
Okay.
So that is what I believe the hard work that I had put in initially, so that has finally borne fruits. And so then the results were declared for the written exam, and I was very glad that I had passed. And so after that, like I said, I used to read the newspaper and various current affair magazines since the beginning. But then I had become even more thorough with it and more regular with it. And so, as luck would have it, and I would thank my lucky stars every day so that I found AMAS at the right moment and with enough time in my hands that I could, follow your guidance and mold myself into what, like you say, that तुम चाहे सोना हो आर्मी को लोहा ही चाहिए. So I think I was very grateful that I had that opportunity that I could come to you for guidance. And so beginning with Arjun sir's motivation in the morning, sir's everyday warm welcome to all the students. It used to our day used to begin with that, sir, and following that, I think my entire concept of current affairs and news reading, my entire perspective was changed by Afsana ma'am. And so followed by that, I think we had great GTO guidance, obviously, sir, from you. No doubts about that. Everything, even though we were an online batch, sir, um, I had no difficulty when I was actually put on the GTO ground to perform. I had no difficulties. In fact, I was very happy and I was very satisfied with myself also there that, I was surprised that, this is coming so easily to me, so naturally to me, because sir has shown us all the things that are supposed to be done, the various methods you're supposed to use, how you are supposed to think about an obstacle, how you're supposed to cross an obstacle. All of those things were taught to us, sir. Then, sir, our IO practice was fantastic with SB, sir. Interviewing officer was fantastic, sir. He used to point out everything. We were taught how to speak, how to conduct, how to improve our language, our vocabulary. Everything, sir, was taught to us. And then, sir, of course, there was DRS, sir, with his Josh and motivation, teaching us GS every day. So I think all in all, AMAS basically taught us how to project yourself. You, like everybody knows, sir, so you pick the best to train as well. And I think following that, you mold us into such uh, strong individuals that we are ready to face everything and anything. So there is no sugarcoat. You never sugarcoat anything. Of course, you always tell us what is right for us. So डांट भी पिटती थी, अगले दिन वापस आते थे. फिर we used to vow कि हम वापस better आएंगे. I remember, sir, every
So
day.
those
And
are
sir,
some sweet and sour moments of AMA's training. So, what was your highlights of the SSB,
yes,
which
sir.
you would like to share?
So
Any
in the
anecdotes
SSB,
or any serious
so,
moments?
so anecdotes तो यही है. I believe I was the last fresher to come. The very first day I went, they could not find my name. My name was the last in the list.
Acha, yes.
सब लड़कियों में मेरा नाम last था.
Oh
So
my
they initially could not find my name. Then they found my name. फिर the screening went well, sir. Like you had taught us time management कैसे करना है and everything. So I think that was great help. So I did not have time to prepare for my interview any more than you had already prepared us. Because my interview was on the very next day. जैसे मेरा psych हुआ सुबह.
Right.
And I remember calling you and telling you कि sir मैंने psych में थोड़ी गड़बड़ कर दी है. Quantity कम attempt किया, but the quality, sir, obviously आपने जैसे सिखाया था हमने वैसे ही किया. So the quality was, I was sure of my answers, but I was a little this thing that my quantity is a little less. I might not get through. But then, so you were there, you told me that अब पीछे छोड़ो आगे बढ़ो, जो भी कर लिया, move ahead. And so then I had my interview on the very first day. So it was very interesting that I later found out that my interviewing officer, sir, he was from 13 Jackrif. And this time, all this Shershah, the movie was about to release, and everybody was so hyped up and everything. And we saw that later that our interviewing officer was a part of that movie also.
Okay.
Yes, yes, and that was interesting. And so, after the interview, I was happy with my interview also. There were a lot of GK questions. Most of my interview was based on my PIQ, sir. And after that, there were some GK questions. I could answer those GK questions also. There was one or two mathematical question. And so, like you had told us that, keep your balance your academics as well as your physical activity. So I think that helped me a lot during my GTO.
Right.
I could, it was my first attempt, sir, and I could easily do 7 out of the 8 compulsory obstacles. And so following that, the GTO went well, and all of that followed. Then, sir, the last day was the conference day. I think, sir, me and Mansi were together in the same batch.
Okay.
And
Right. Yes.
yes,
Same
sir.
batch, same GTO batch also, right?
Yes, sir. Same GTO
we just
batch,
listened to
same
her
group
after this.
discussion.
Right.
Yes, sir. We were supporting each other, but we had not found out that we were both Emasians until right before the conference.
Okay.
I just turned around and asked her, Mansi Malik from Emas. She said, yes, how do you know me? I was like, I've seen you in Emas. So, yes, so there was that.
Okay.
And I think the conference was very short and very crisp. So they asked me how my experience was. And if I had any complaints, my experience was fantastic, sir, inexplicable. The feeling was, I was so
Tejaswini,
happy. Yes, sir.
whatever you said, you never expected to come All India ranking 1, right? So, what tips would you like to give to the aspirants who are preparing? What quick tips you would like to give? 2-3 points to keep in mind.
I think you have to be consistent with your efforts, and every day counts. Read the newspaper every day. Work on your, even if you're preparing for your CDS or your SSB, you have to be consistent with your GK and your current affairs. That is how you are going to gain confidence. And following that, have trust and confidence in yourself that you should be able to project yourself well out there, and you should be confident with what you are saying and how you're projecting yourself. I think so. Those are the only tips I can give.
Thank you so much for sharing your experiences as well as sharing your tips. And now we will move on to the